Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Friday, December 20th, 2019. I also wanted to shout you guys out for how amazing you were yesterday, even when we were having a crisis. Those of you that were at school just did an amazing job in the cafeteria, being calm and listening to your teachers, and just want to shout you out for that. And if we turned you away yesterday, I'm sorry about that, but we want to make sure school was safe for you. So thank you for all of your cooperation yesterday, and just shout out to your teachers for also handling that whole situation so well. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. We have quite a few birthdays. So yesterday we had Joel Vargas in 3rd grade and Leah Patton in 2nd grade. Antonio Gomez and Alan Morales Tomorrow we have Jose de la Cruz Ramirez in 3rd grade, Zaria Hill in 4th grade, Jesus de Paz in 3rd grade, Mackenzie Williams in 3rd grade. And later this weekend, we have Jaylene Vera in 2nd grade, Mario Mendoza in 4th grade, and Jose Torres in 4th grade. Also, as a little surprise secret, remember that Miss Caroline will be walking around at 9 a.m., and she doesn't know why I'm going to be walking her around, but at 9 a.m., around that time, is when you guys can come out and give her your cards. If your birthday is over the break, don't worry. I have some special treats for you when you return, and I will shout out all your names on Tuesday, January 7th. Today we're focusing on Rattlers being relentless. Today you will not give up. You did not give up this whole week. You all put so much effort into your exams and trying really hard, and today we finally get to celebrate. Don't forget that all of you are still in competition with your homerooms for that Sunday party, so make sure that when I'm at lunch today, I'm giving you extra points for that. It would be a great way to end the 2020 school year with a nice ice cream party with your homeroom. Or maybe some of you are winning it 2 weeks in a row, and maybe you want to go for a third. Make sure that you are cleaning up your lunch table and being very respectful. Shout out to Ivan, Stephen, Brian, and Kevin for showing amazing teamwork and problem solving on our Math Escape games. The other day, I was supposed to shout this out yesterday, but y'all weren't here. On Wednesday, we met attendance. Really great job, you guys. And today, we will be doing our attendance challenge at the end of today. So if you're here, you are entered in our raffle. Please remember that even on a fun day like today, that you are being respectful, responsible, and relentless. First and second graders, I hope you enjoy your disco dance party and your ice cream party if you earned it. 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, make sure that you have your trackers filled out appropriately so that you can get into the VIP lounge or the block parties. So it should be all filled in the earn points column. Just as a reminder, your block parties will be super fun. We also have Kona Ice instead of the Jumpy. So I'm super excited to give you those tickets so you could go outside and get your own Kona Ice. The VIP lounge will be set up, and we will let you know if you are invited. Enjoy your break with your family. Make sure you're being extra sweet to your siblings and your parents and your grandmas and your aunts and uncles and cousins all over break. And I will see you in 2020. We will come back on January 7th, which is a Tuesday. And there's a picture of Chicago in the winter because that's where Miss Tripto is going tonight, driving with my little baby bear dog. I hope you all have a very safe break. And if no one else tells you today or over break that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. We can't wait to see you in January. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of students that are out and message out on the ADA GroupMe. Thank you all for coming today and trying your best.